Hey, what's up, Tech Fam? I'm your host, and welcome to Tag to Tech. The Realme 16 Pro series will debut in India on January 6th. Ahead of the launch, Realme has been teasing key specifications of the phones and has now confirmed more details about the Pro variant. Last week, Realme revealed that both the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Plus will sport a 200-megapixel main rear camera, while the Pro Plus variant will also get a periscope telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom support. The company has now confirmed that the 16 Pro will be equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Max 5G chipset. The handset will offer an airflow VC cooling system and is claimed to have scored over 970,000 points on the AnTuTu benchmark. It will pack a 7,000 mAh battery and a 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate and 6500 nit peak brightness. The phone will run Android 16-based Realme UI 7.0 with AI features such as AI recording, AI framing master, and Google Gemini. The Realme 16 Pro will be available in Master Gold, Pebble Gray, and Orchid Purple color options. It will also have an IP69 rating.